Let's Enhance review. My honest experience using iMage Upscaler and Photo Enhancer. If you've ever struggled with blurry or low-resolution images, Let's Enhance promises an AI-powered solution to make your photos crisp and professional. I tested it extensively, and here's my honest take. Most people get this wrong. They think iUpscalers are hit or miss. The surprising truth is that Let's Enhance delivers consistently sharp results, even for small or old images. You can upscale images up to AX, remove JPEG artifacts, and improve color balance with minimal effort. Using the platform is straightforward. You upload your photo, choose the enhancement style like photo, art, or illustration and hit Enhance. In seconds, the app produces a cleaner, more detailed version. For example, I upscaled a piece portrait to pieces, and the results maintain fine details like hair strands and textures without looking artificial. One minor downside is that highly complex images with lots of noise can require multiple passes for perfect results. Pricing is subscription-based, but there is a free trial so you can test before committing. In conclusion, Let's Enhance is an excellent tool for photographers, designers, and marketers who need high-quality images quickly. It's easy to use, reliable, and perfect for turning old or low-res images into professional-grade visuals. For anyone working with digital media, it's definitely worth exploring.